That's better. Just replace the bearings here and down here, and even some over on this way to back up the bandsaw blade. So now, since I've taken the whole thing apart, basically, I need to readjust everything. So the trick I've heard is a double layer of Scotch tape on the blade. And then I have to adjust these blocks to where they just touch, which I will do. Move on to the bottom one. Now I've got it stuck because I'm a dum-dum. You got that down there? Too tight. Has to be just barely kissing the blade. And hopefully, see, when you take that off, should be just about right. Line the guides up. That looks pretty good. But we'll see how it works when I turn the thing on. I replaced this bearing as well. It's actually two bearings. And it's not quite where I want it to be. So I'm going to try to loosen this bolt and see if I can move that bracket. Much better. Well, since I took the table off my bandsaw, I have to square it and align it. So first thing I thought I'd do is align my miter gauge to the table saw. I've already lined it up with the blade and the fence. Next, the bandsaw. Basically too hard to do all this with the camera, so I'm basically just running this back and forth and measuring the guidance or the distance between the blade. It looks really straight right where it is, so I'm going to tighten it up. Done. One more final check on the height of the table. Looks pretty good all the way.